This video will show you exactly how to upscale low-quality videos and turn them into stunning 4K, completely free. No paid AI tools, expensive software is required. You can use this method for free and unlimited times. This is the low and poor quality video that I want to upscale. And here's the upscaled 4K version of this video. And I'll show you how to achieve this using a completely free and unlimited method. To upscale and increase the quality of this video, open Google Chrome and go to google.com. In the Google search, type in Free AI Video Upscaler and click only this particular website, as all the other websites are either paid or, if they're free, their upscaling results aren't as good as this website. Also, this website requires no sign-up, is completely free, and runs locally on your computer. Now choose and select the video file you want to upscale. Now you can see the preview, before versus after. To increase the quality of result, come down in Upscaling Network and select the quality to XL. The processing can be slower, but the result is very powerful. Once XL is selected, then here on the top you can see drastic increase in quality of final video preview. Now come down, and the final step is to click Start Upscaling and wait for some time. Now we have successfully upscaled the video. Now come down and download the upscaled video. Now we have successfully upscaled the video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.